Hello guys, and welcome to Saji FOREX. This is Saji, and I want to say thank you to all our new subscribers who also just subscribed to this channel. Thank you, and thank you. And I want to officially welcome you to our channel where we share ideas on how to take advantage of the financial market. So what we do, we go about making research, think about trading methodology that can make you to take advantage of the financial market, and then we come to share these ideas with you so that you can take advantage of it and be profitable in your trading career. And I believe that is what you are looking for. So our goal is to make things easy for us as individuals and as a trader in order for us to have a profitable trade. So in this video, I would like to look at a way we can scalp, boom and crash. So I want to look at boom and crash scalping. I call it hacked strategy for scalping boom and crash. And I know that you'll get value from this video. And if this is your first time of coming across our video, please support what we are doing. Encourage us by subscribing to our channel, like our video, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we published our subsequent video. So we are looking basically at how to scalp, boom and crash. But this strategy works more perfectly from research and from several backtesting. It works perfectly on these three assets. Okay, it works perfectly on these three assets: 1,500 and crash 1,000. Remember, it is not the numbers of assets that you trade that matters, but it is the number of the successful trades, successful entries that you make. That is what counts. Okay, so we are looking at these three assets: the boom 1,000, boom 500, and crash 1,000. All right. So let's begin. How do we scalp our boom and crash? Okay, we are looking at selling or boom. Whatever you do, the opposite will be for a buy of boom. But in the subsequent video, I will be showing us how we can catch spike and drops of boom and that of crash. So today I look at how to sell boom and then how to buy crash. Okay, remember, always endeavor to follow the rules. Allow the conditions to be met, and then you make your entries, follow the rules, be guided. Just be guided. Alright, so let's go. Let's begin by explaining the indicators that we are seeing on this chart. First of all, we have our green indicator, this one, and this one. And if you have been going to our previous video, the green indicator you are seeing on my screen or my chart, as the case may be, is our Bollinger Band, and it has a special setup. This Bollinger Band, the period is 130, and what this does for us is that the Bollinger Band, the upper band, help us to know the exhaustion point of the market. It helps us to know whether the market is weak, and then it is probably telling us that there might or a possible tendency of reversal. Then the middle Bollinger Band, which is what you are seeing now, this middle Bollinger Band, I'm referring to this, it helps us to determine our trend continuation. Okay, you can see it's doing it your perfect where price come back to it, continue, come back to it, continue. So it helps us to determine our trend continuation, and at the same time it is used to determine the trend of the market, the trend of the market. Okay, so that is what it does. So whenever price is above, we say it's an uptrend. So when price is above this middle band, it's an uptrend, and when price is below, it is a downtrend. Now we have established that. Then the indicators we are seeing on our main charts, which is actually our moving averages, the moving average 10 exponential and moving average 12. Okay, the blue one here is our exponential moving average 10, while the black is our simple moving average 12. Okay, this is our entry trigger. This moving average, it helps us to make entry. That is our trigger. Whenever we see price closes below those moving average, we'll make our entries. And then our indicator window, we have stochastic oscillator, period is 60, and then we have moving average 10 on our indicator window. Okay, so that is all we need to know about the indicators. And then next thing is for us to consider the application, how we can apply these indicators, take advantage of it, and make profitable trades. It can help us. So that is for that aspect. So next, Let's begin with our checklist for selling boom. Now, what is our number one checklist for selling boom? Now, our number one checklist is I want to see the price at the upper Bollinger Band. This is number one. For a reversal, not a trend continuation. We'll come to that. Number one checklist for trend reversal. We want to see price at the upper Bollinger Band. This is what we are seeing. Then we want to see the price pierce through the upper Bollinger Band out of it, which is what we are seeing. And I want to see price begin to make a return towards the Bollinger Band back inside the band. And you can see this happening here. Then number two, we want to see our indicator window at the level of 90, which is what we are seeing. And then seeing the blue line and the red line that the moving average, the stochastic, is making a cross and a curve towards the downside, which has happened here. Having established that, go back to your main chart. We want to see that price close below the two moving average 10 and 12, and upon this we will make our entry. This is our entry. This is our stop loss. Now our take profit can be anywhere here. Right? This will work out perfectly. Remember, always follow the checklist. Very important. Yeah. Very, very important is that this must happen now. If you are going to make this entry, please, this should be on 5 minutes. It must be on, it must be on 15 minutes. Because I back tested on it, it helps you to filter your entries. Okay, you have a little entries and then your loss is minimized. So this should be on 15 minutes. Now, here we are, right? Once you have captured this at this point, this is 15 minutes, this is for scalping, it is above here. You go back to your 5 minutes and confirm if same thing is happening. Let's look at where we mark on 15 minutes. Good. Can you see? Beautiful. You can see that the same thing is happening up there outside the band on 5 minutes. Let's confirm it on 1 minute. So there must be a confluence between 15 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes before you make your entries. Very, very important. Great. Do you see that? Look at it. It's happening here at the upper band on 1 minute. So with all of this confluence, we make our entry in 15 minutes. Can you see? Very perfect, isn't it? That is number one. How to take a sell, that is a trend reversal, using the strategy. Okay, please, most important, watch out for what I just explained. Then trend continuation, and the other that we have established that once the price comes back into the zone, that is, price return is down the middle band, we say this is a downtrend. So now price will move for a trend continuation towards the middle band. And what we are trying to see is that price will move, but in as much as it did not pierce the upper band, it is still within the zone of the middle band. So it can pass it, but price did not pierce the upper band, and it returns. It begins to make a return. Then it's a trend continuation. And then what do? We watch out for our indicator window, that is condition 1. Then we want to see that there is a cross here of the moving average, and price closes below. Our stop loss is at this high, our take profit is somewhere here, and with this. Then we want to see this same thing happening, even though it's a trade continuation. We will go back to our lower time frame. At the lower time frame, it is either all this setup, either it is happening on, it should be happening on M5 and then M1. It should be happening either at the upper band or at the middle band. It's okay. It should be happening either at the upper band or at the middle Bollinger Band. Let's go to M5 and see where it is happening. Great. Now you can see. Please, this thing I'm sharing is very, very powerful. This is it. This is it. Can you see it? M5. Powerful, powerful, powerful. And then you make your entries. Oh my God. Let's go to M1 and see where we can find this. Okay. I don't intend this video to be long. Please go to this video over good. Great. Now you can see it from here. Got it? At the upper band. At the upper band. So that is how to go about it. Backtest this. Like, don't take a single trade and make conclusion on this. I beg you, take up to 10 trades. Wait patiently for the strategy to play out. Make 10 entries. Then compare the result of those 10 entries. Trust me, out of your 10 entries, 6 will play out in your favor. 6 out of 4 is a good one. Backtest this. I don't intend this video to be long. So in the subsequent video, I will explain the tricks on how to buy crash. Okay, this is for Boom. Get set for many more explosive content on how you can take advantage of the market. This year, 2024, is your year of financial breakthrough in the financial market. Alright, so let me show you the setup. The Bollinger Band, the period is 130, deviation is 2.0, shift 0, apply to close. Okay, choose color of your choice, moving average 10, and it is exponential. You can take a screenshot of this while you make your setting. Okay, the second is moving average 12, and it is a simple one. Then we have our stochastic oscillator, K period 60-day period band, slowing 1, apply to closed. The method is exponential. Our levels are 10, 90, and 50. Then you click on done, then you add your moving average. 10 exponential to your indicator window 2. Guys, I believe you are getting value from this video. Please support what we are doing, like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and we'll do justice to that. See you in the subsequent video. Ciao.